Welcome to another Simple Dad TikTok tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to delete your TikTok watch history. Before moving on to the video, I would appreciate if you can support me by liking this video so YouTube can push it out to others who need this tutorial. And I would like to thank every one of you who has done this in the past. Now there is a way to delete your TikTok watch history. So let me show you how to do this. First, open up your TikTok app. Next, tap on your profile tab at the bottom right. Then tap on the three lines at the top right. Then tap on settings and privacy at the bottom. Scroll down and under content and activity, tap on watch history. Here you'll see all the videos you have watched in the last 7 days. Tap on the sun icon at the top right. You should see this menu appear at the bottom. Tap on Clear History. If this is your first time, TikTok will give you a prompt stating once history is deleted, it cannot be recovered. However, TikTok do keep a history for them to provide you with personalized posts. Press Clear and your TikTok history will then be cleared. And that is how to delete your TikTok watch history. If this helped you out, then please consider subscribing to this channel for more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.